Today, I'm going to show you how to use email countdown timers to visually create scarcity. This is going to help you so much throughout the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and any other Q4 campaign that you're going to send. Today is day 72 before BFCM and the biggest holiday sale season of the year. If you haven't done so yet, grab your BFCM content planner. This is the same exact planner we use for our clients, filled with email ideas, email examples, exact dates, and all the different content ideas that we are sending for our clients. So you can actually work inside of this planner, make a copy and use it, make a lot of money with it, and be happy. All right. Now, if you're new to the channel, guys, I'm here to share with you what worked, what didn't work, and what we're actively doing in order to scale email and SMS marketing funnels for e-commerce stores. That's the only thing we are focused on, all in the pursuit of finding top tier talent, new opportunities, and growing my network. I'm not selling you anything on this channel. If you are looking to grow your email and SMS marketing, subscribe, like if you want to like, and leave a comment with any questions down below. All right, let's jump right in. So what we want to do today is basically show where you can use these countdown timers. This is one of our clients that we did this countdown timer for them. Now, many brands do this mistake of like asking for a designer to create a countdown timer. This is what a designer will give you. All right. And I see this with many stores. They use a GIF, which is a designed, image to mimic a countdown timer, but you see it looks fake. Every few seconds, it kind of resets and it makes your brand look very bad. What you should do instead is use a service like Centric. It's $9 a month. I'm not making $1 by recommending them. They're just cheap and they do the work, and they can actually facilitate that countdown timer for you for as little as $9 a month. They might have a free plan, but this can actually help you create real scarcity using countdown timers in so many different places. You can use them in flows. This is welcome flow number 4. And also, you can use them for multiple occasions throughout Q4. Let's take a look at a few examples. So Black Friday sale extended. You have the night of Black Friday. You send an email, and then you want to send, hey, we are extending it for one more day. Guess what? You can put a countdown timer at the top, 24 hours. We're extending it. If you have a last chance, maybe a few hours before it ends, put a countdown timer, 5, 6, 4, 3 hours, whatever you want to do at the top. This way, it works together with, creating this sense of time and scarcity. Time is running out, almost like seeing like a send clock running out. It creates that scarcity. Same thing for Cyber Monday. Same thing for Christmas. Last minute shopper gift card push. You can do it right here. Delivery count out. Maybe you can put a countdown timer there as well. It doesn't always have to be at the top. You can kind of play around with it. It doesn't have to be here. You can move it up or down. You can put it somewhere at the bottom, in the middle. It doesn't matter. Just don't do this GIF. Don't ask your designers to do that unless they know how to use a software. They understand that. Many of the brands we work with do that. All right. And for us, for Bunky, we created just to show the client, but then we actually created this inside of Sender, and then we plugged it inside of the email. How to plug it, if you're not sure, I have a full video in my channel. Just look it up right here. You can actually, kind of see step by step how I set it up. And if you want a link to the website, you can get access to my entire master doc for BFCM. This is our BFCM prep doc with everything I've talked about so far. I release daily videos to help you with prepping for BFCM, from deliverability, from, preparing your flows, auditing your account, design elements like the one I'm sharing with you today. Any questions whatsoever, leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much again for watching, guys. Let's make money. Let's make money. Time is running out, and I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Peace.